Hello guys, today I will give you a free investment website script. First, I will show you the demo of this script. Then I will teach you how you can download this website script. So this is the register page of that script. Once the user creates an account, here is the login button. I already have an account, so I will show you the dashboard of this website and how it looks. Then I will also show you the admin panel of this website. Once the user logs into their account, a pop-up will show. You can change this text from the admin panel. Here is the home page of the website. At the top, you can see sliding images, which you can change from the admin panel. Once you scroll down, you can see different investment plans. You can add new investment plans and also change the existing ones. You can also change the pictures. Currently, this is a cycle investment website, but you can convert it to any other type that you want. Here is the recharge button. Once the user creates an account, the first step is to add balance to their account. You can add multiple payment gateways from the admin panel. Here is the withdraw button. You can also add multiple withdrawal wallets in this website. Now here is the My section where users can see all their details, change their password, see their balance, and more. You can also change the currency of the website. You will also find the recharge, withdraw, and earn buttons here. There is a team section where users can earn by referring friends. You will also find a device section where the current plan is shown. Now I will show you the admin panel of this website. The admin panel looks like this. Once you click on the three-line menu, you can change or add new plans. There is a Manage Refer section from where you can set referral commissions. There is a Manage User section where you can see details of all active and banned users. In the Payment Gateway section, you can add new gateways to the website. For example, if you want to create a new manual payment gateway, just click the Add New button and set it up. You can also create new withdrawal methods. There is a Withdraw Method button for that. The General Settings section lets you change the name and color of the website. There is also a favicon button to change the website's picture and logo. If anyone wants this website script or a complete investment website with domain and hosting, you can contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. I will provide the script. If you want a fully ready-made website with domain and hosting, we can also provide that. Additionally, if you need any other type of script, like investment, e-commerce, or portfolio, you can contact me as well. Thank you for watching.